Picture this. You're chasing a wild llama through the streets of Paris. Sounds crazy, right? Well, navigating airport security in Europe can feel just as chaotic. In today's video, we'll cover the crucial changes happening in European travel, so stick around, because I've got a hidden tip from the fine print that could make your journey a whole lot smoother. Europe! The land of cobblestone streets, where history meets modernity at every corner, and ever-changing airport security rules. Yes, you heard that right. The rules are constantly evolving, and it's crucial to stay updated. It's true. If you're planning a European getaway, listen up. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-timer, these changes will affect you. Those relaxed carry-on rules you might remember, they're getting a makeover. Gone are the days of breezing through with oversized bags. Before you panic, take a deep breath. These changes are designed to make your travel experience smoother and safer. These new rules are all about keeping travelers safe and streamlining airport security. It's all about efficiency and ensuring everyone has a pleasant journey. And don't worry, I'm here to break it all down for you. From what you can pack to how to navigate the security lines, I've got you covered. We'll explore the changes, uncover some insider tips, and make sure you're prepared to breeze through security with a smile. Knowing what to expect can make all the difference. Ready to become a carry-on champion? Let's dive in. We'll start with the basics and work our way up to expert tips. By the end of this, you'll be a pro at navigating European airport security. First, let's talk about liquids. The 100 milliliters rule still applies, but make sure all your liquids are in a clear, resealable bag. This will save you time and hassle at security. Next, electronics. Laptops, tablets, and other large electronics need to be placed in a separate tray. This helps security personnel get a clear view and speeds up the process. Don't forget about your shoes. In some European airports, you might be asked to remove them. Wear something easy to slip on and off to keep things moving smoothly. Organization is key. Keep your carry-on organized so you can easily access items you need to remove at security. This will make the process quicker for you and everyone else. Familiarize yourself with the airport layout. Knowing where the security checkpoints are and how to get to your gate can save you a lot of stress and time. Use technology to your advantage. Many airports have apps that provide real-time updates on security wait times and gate information. Stay informed and stay ahead. Finally, give yourself plenty of time. Arrive at the airport early so you can go through security without rushing. This will make your travel experience much more enjoyable. With these tips, you'll be well prepared to navigate European airport security like a pro. So pack your bags, follow the rules, and get ready for an amazing European adventure. Europe is calling, and now you're ready to answer. Safe travels and enjoy your journey. Remember the days of tossing a full-size shampoo bottle into your carry-on without a second thought? Those were the times when packing for a trip felt like a breeze. You could just grab your favorite products, throw them into your bag, and be on your way. No fuss, no stress, just the excitement of your upcoming adventure. Yeah, those days are gone. Now, the reality of modern air travel has set in, and with it, a host of new regulations that can make packing feel like a strategic game of Tetris. The carefree days of travel are a distant memory, replaced by the need to meticulously plan every item you bring along. The 100 milliliter liquid rule is back in full force at airports across Europe. This rule, which was initially introduced in response to security concerns, has now become a staple of air travel. It's a measure designed to keep everyone safe, but it also means that travelers need to be more mindful than ever about what they pack. That means all your gels, creams, pastes, and yes, even that fancy French perfume must be in containers no larger than 100 milliliters. It's not just about the size, but also about ensuring that each item is properly contained. This can be a challenge, especially if you're used to bringing full-size products. And don't forget, all those little bottles need to fit snugly inside a single transparent resealable bag. This bag must be easily accessible for inspection at security checkpoints. It's a small detail, but one that can make a big difference in how smoothly your journey goes. But wait, there's more. These new old rules also mean stricter enforcement. Security personnel are more vigilant than ever, ensuring that every traveler complies with the regulations. This heightened scrutiny can lead to longer wait times and more thorough inspections. So, that half-empty bottle of sunscreen that's under 100 milliliters, it might not fly this time. Even if the bottle itself is small enough, if it's not clearly labeled or if it appears to be tampered with, it could still be confiscated. This means that travelers need to be extra careful about how they pack their liquids. To avoid any issues, it's a good idea to invest in travel-sized products or to transfer your favorite items into compliant containers. Many stores now offer a wide range of travel-sized toiletries, making it easier than ever to stay within the rules. It might take a bit more effort, but it's worth it to ensure a hassle-free journey. So, as you prepare for your next trip, take a moment to review the liquid restrictions and plan accordingly. With a little bit of preparation, you can navigate the rules with ease and focus on enjoying your travels. Safe travels. You've heard it before, one carry-on bag and one personal item. Simple, right? Well, not so fast. Think your tiny purse and that shopping bag full of souvenirs count as one? Think again. Airlines are cracking down and those extra bags could cost you. We're talking hefty fees at the gate, my friends. So what's the solution? Pack smart, choose your personal item wisely, and be prepared to consolidate if needed. Here's the thing about these new carry-on rules. They're not just about liquids and the number of bags. Airlines are getting serious about size and weight limits too. That means your trusty carry-on suitcase that seemed to fit? It might be time to break out the measuring tape. And don't forget about weight. Those extra souvenirs can add up, leading to unexpected fees at the gate. Don't let the carry-on crackdown catch you off guard. Be prepared, pack strategically, and know your airline's specific rules. Packing like a pro tips to breeze through security. Ready to become a packing ninja? With a little planning and these insider tips, you'll be breezing through security like a seasoned traveler. First things first, make a list. This will help you avoid overpacking and ensure you don't forget any essentials. Next, roll, don't fold. Rolling your clothes saves space and helps prevent wrinkles. And remember those pesky liquid restrictions? Invest in some leak-proof travel bottles and consider switching to solid toiletries whenever possible. That's right, the liquid dilemma. Will the 100 milliliters rule ever disappear? So here is the million-dollar question. When will we be reunited with our beloved full-size toiletries? The short answer? No one knows for sure. The 100 milliliters liquid rule was implemented for security reasons, and while there's been talk of new technology that could eventually render it obsolete, it's not happening anytime soon. So for now, embrace the travel-size life. And hey, maybe it's a good excuse to try out those cute little travel-sized products. Staying ahead of the game will allow for stress-free travel. Follow these essential tips to stay ahead of the game and ensure a smooth journey from start to finish. First and foremost, allow ample time. Rushing through the airport is a recipe for disaster. Arrive early, check in online, and give yourself plenty of time to navigate security. Next, stay informed. Most airlines offer an app that offers the most up-to-date baggage rules and regulations, flight times, or delays. Make sure your sound is on. Don't rely on outdated information or hearsay. Most airlines have an app that will push notifications to keep you informed. Make sure to download it and enable notifications for real-time updates. Ready to master the carry-on rules for two of the biggest airlines? We have done the legwork for you. No guessing required. If you are traveling with American Airlines, your carry-on luggage size should not exceed 22 by 14 by 9 inches. Your personal item like a purse or backpack should be no bigger than 18 by 14 by 8 inches. It must fit under the seat in front of you. All of American Airlines fares include both a carry-on and personal item, even in basic economy. If you are traveling with Delta Airlines, your carry-on luggage size should not exceed 22 by 14 by 9 inches. Your personal item like a purse, briefcase, camera bag, or diaper bag should be able to fit under the seat in front of you as well. If you find yourself flying out of Singapore International Airport, your carry-on should not weigh more than 15 pounds. Remember, being prepared and knowing the rules can make your travel experience smoother and stress-free like this guy. He planned everything perfectly, no rush, no stress, only smiles. If you have questions, your airline's website is your one-stop shop for the most up-to-date baggage rules, flight information, and more. If you can't find what you're looking for on the website, pause this video and snap a picture. The world of travel is constantly evolving, and airport security is no exception. While we can't predict the future with certainty, here are some potential developments that could shape the future of carry-on rules in Europe. New scanning technologies could eventually eliminate the need for the 100 milliliter liquid rule, allowing travelers to bring full-size toiletries once again. As the travel industry becomes more environmentally conscious, we may see a shift towards encouraging travelers to pack lighter and reduce waste. Now that you're a carry-on expert, it's time to focus on the fun part, planning your European adventure. From the Eiffel Tower to the Colosseum, Europe is home to some of the world's most iconic landmarks. But don't forget to venture off the beaten path and explore the hidden gems that make each destination unique. Traveling is about more than just checking off destinations on a list. It's about embracing the journey and creating lasting memories. Engage with the local culture, sample the local cuisine, and don't be afraid to get lost in the moment. These are the experiences that will stay with you long after you've returned home. If you made it this far, we left one detail out. If you want to upgrade your seat to first class, wait until boarding time and look on your app. A lot of times, the price drops as soon as boarding begins. Trust us, we do it all the time. Well, folks, please comment below if there is any other content you would like to see from our channel. We want to appeal to our most important asset, our audience. So long for now, friends.